Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the headache of complicated installs or awkward gaps? Scosche's car stereo dash kit offers a seamless, factory-quality solution that fits perfectly in your vehicle's dash. Whether you're replacing an outdated stereo or adding new features, this kit promises a clean, professional look that blends right in. I've seen firsthand how frustrating it can be to install aftermarket stereos that don't quite match your dash. That's why Scosche engineered this kit with precision in mind. It's crafted from high-quality automotive-grade ABS, matching the color and texture of your factory dash so well that you'd swear it was original. Plus, the gapless design means no unsightly spaces or loose fittings, just a sleek, integrated appearance. Installation couldn't be simpler. No special tools are needed, and the included step-by-step instructions guide you through the process smoothly. Even if you're new to car upgrades, you'll find this kit approachable and hassle-free. And if questions come up, Scosche's lifetime tech support has your back, offering expert help whenever you need it. That kind of support is rare, especially paired with a limited lifetime warranty that guarantees your investment is protected. For over 40 years, Scosche has been a trusted name in car audio accessories, known for delivering quality and reliability at a fair price. Their dash kits, wiring harnesses, and adapters are designed with real drivers in mind, people who care about their vehicles and want upgrades that last. When you choose a Scosche dash kit, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in a smoother, more satisfying driving experience. If you're driving a 2004 Hyundai Sonata or a similar model, this dash kit is a perfect fit, making your stereo upgrade look factory installed. No more gaps, no more mismatched colors, just a clean, polished dash that complements your car's interior. It's worth a look if you want a professional finish without the professional price tag or frustration. Ready to take your car's audio to the next level? Scosche's car stereo dash kit makes it easy to install a new stereo with confidence and style. With lifetime tech support and a solid warranty, you get peace of mind alongside a sleek, gapless dash. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your ride effortlessly.